Hi, how are you today? Rainy days are kind of amazing for stretching. So we're gonna focus today on stretching, but first we're gonna get warmed up. So I just want you to start kicking out your legs just like we always do. And it's not a bad idea to incorporate your arms. If you have your lighter weights, go ahead and grab them and we'll just do a little bit of a press and a kick. So let's go to 20 on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice. And from there, go ahead and take one leg and just reach it out straight while you hold your arms up, and then the other leg out straight. Good. And then bring them both in and relax. I want you to grab your heavier weights. I've got my 10-pounders. And we're gonna do a bridge pose. We're gonna kick it up high, and we're going to lift, we're gonna do 20 more presses with our heavy weights while we do our bridge reps. So hold the bridge for a minute, just relax into it. Take it down, and here we go, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice. You can put down your heavy weights. And from here, go ahead and get into your tabletop. And we're going to do cat-cow for a minute and enjoy that. Good. And then we're going to do our scapula push-ups. So just a quick down and up. It's like 1.5 inches up and down, using your scapula to open up your shoulders and to develop some power in your back. Good. 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's go to 15 on this. 14, 15. Good. That's great. And then from here, we're going to do our donkey kick. Kick it high. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And then for the stretch, now reach that leg forward. So you can see I've got sort of an 80-degree position, and I'm really stretching my hamstring. Good. Oh yeah, that feels great. And then we're gonna do the other side. So we're working on power first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. And then reach it up forward to your runner's pose and stretch out that hamstring. Good. And while you're here, I've got my right arm on the floor, my left foot forward, and I'm gonna reach my left arm into the air and do a twist. And then I'm gonna do that same twist on the other side. You wanna get into your position and reach your arm up and twist. And look at your hand so that you're twisting in your neck as well. Good. And go ahead and rock into that so you can get up on your toes. That'll augment it. Good. Feels really nice. Okay, I'm gonna move my weights a little bit so I can scoot back. And I have this ottoman behind me supporting my back. That feels quite nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into my butterfly pose. This is a supported pose because I have the ottoman behind me. So I can put my shoulders back. Oh, I can flex my back. Feels really nice. Feels relaxing. I feel like I could actually watch TV from this position. Okay, so now I'm going to put my left foot down and stretch over my right knee. So I'm stretching the knee out, stretching my groin, and I'm getting the back of my left leg. And don't forget to breathe. Enjoy that breath. It feels really good. And I'm massaging my leg as I do this, just bringing some blood flow in. We've already done a little bit of work, and now we're really going to focus the rest of the time on stretching. Good. Let's do this on the other side. Reach over the knee. Reach as far forward as you can. Try to put that right elbow on the floor if you can. Good. Oh, it feels so good. I hope you're enjoying this. I know I am. Remember to relax your shoulders. Don't get all hunched up. You want to have those shoulders really relaxed, the neck relaxed. You almost could just read a book in this position. It's so nice. And I say that because it's taken me a while to get here. This position was not this comfortable last January, but I've been working on it. I've been working on all of my stretches every day, a little bit every day, and I'm getting a little bit better every day. And so I see that there's some progress happening. So now I'm going to put my right foot on the ground. I've got my knee forward. I've got my left foot straight. And this is a position I could not even do last January. This is a classic runner stretch for the hurdler, because this is the hurdle position where you've got your knee back, you've got your leg forward, and then you stretch into it. And because I'm tall and because I was a runner, when I was in high school, they always tried to get me to do the hurdles. And I could do them, but it was because my legs were long, not because I was flexible. And I wasn't very good at the hurdles. I should have been, but I wasn't. And I think that the reason is that I never stretched back then. And I wasn't flexible. I wasn't naturally flexible. But I think if I had done this stretch every day for a year, it probably would have been a great hurdler. I had the speed, I had the height, I just didn't have that one piece. And I don't think my coach recognized that flexibility was a big part of the problem. I don't think any of us did back then. But I look back on it now and I see that that was a key piece of the puzzle. So now I'm going to massage my knee. That feels great. And you know, there's no reason you can't give yourself a massage. You know, most of us don't have time to go get a massage. I get a massage, if I'm lucky, a couple times a year, maybe 4 times a year. And so my muscles need it more often than it's happening. So I just go ahead and give myself a little rub every day. Really helps, especially around my knees. My knees get very tight. So this feels fantastic. I do recommend giving yourself a massage every day. See what happens if you're tight. If you're not tight, you know, maybe you don't need that, but I need it. So, okay, back to butterfly. Proud spine, shoulders back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice. There's another stretch that I really love to do, and it's really simple. You just get on your toes like this, and you've got your knees in front of you, and then you just fold into a little ball, and you're stretching out your knees and your back, and a little bit in your hindquarters, your glutes, and your calf muscles are really getting a great stretch, both of them at the same time. Breathe into that one. It's so simple, but it feels so good. Nice. And then there's another stretch that I like to do when I'm seated. So go ahead and take a seat. And this is the figure 4 stretch. And it's so easy. You just put your foot over your leg like this. And then you've got your knee basically in a 4, the fancy 4, not the one that's open, but the closed 4. And then I'm pushing my knee down and I'm getting my groin a little bit. I'm also getting my knee and my glutes. You'll feel it in several places. I'm going to do both sides. I'm going to rub my feet a little bit while I'm doing it. You see I'm barefoot today. That feels great. Figure 4, so easy. Good. And with that, we're going to go ahead and stretch out our necks. Go ahead and roll to the left. 1, 2. Roll to the right. 1, 2. And that's it for today. That was an easy stretch on a rainy day with a little bit of lifting, a little bit of abs, just a little bit of everything, but really the focus was on stretching. And if you don't feel fully stretched, go ahead and keep stretching because, you know, we've been here for 11 minutes, but 11 minutes might not be enough for you. So take your time, and you don't have to do it all at once. You don't have to do it in one sitting. I often leave, I do a little bit of work at my desk, I come back, I work a little bit more. So, you know, 3 to 4 10-minute increments throughout the day will really improve your day. It'll improve your posture, it'll improve your flexibility, and most importantly, it'll improve your mood. So have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.